lesson, all the lessons will be in equal parts. Okay, understood or not, beta?
Yes.
Okay,
No,
chalo.
ma'am. I
You didn't
don't
understand?
understood.
Okay, Meghani Amrin didn't understood.
Ma'am, Ilma.
Ilma didn't understood. Okay, Ilma, listen. I'm going to share the notes. Okay, notes कैसे होंगे? जैसे आप this chapter is divided into 4 parts, right? लेसन का नाम याद है? ओके, पहले मैं स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट करती हूँ. I'll explain. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
जैसे अर्थ सरफेस, क्लाइमेट, वेजिटेशन एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ. ओके, 4 पार्ट्स में है लेसन.
Yes, ma'am.
तो अर्थ सरफेस के इफ आई सेंड ओनली एमसीक्यू. क्लाइमेट एफबी और ट्रू और फॉल्स. वेजिटेशन either FP, either true or false, and wildlife maybe match the following or something like that way. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
तो चारों के कवर हो जाएंगे अगर अर्थ सरफेस के एमसीक्यू, क्लाइमेट, वेजिटेशन, वाइल्ड लाइफ, 4 लेसन, 4 पार्ट है इस लेसन में. सबके भेजूंगी तो इस लेसन के एमसीक्यू होंगे 45 तक. So it will be much more. Same way, if FB is I'll send, then it will be more than 45. Understood? So I have done the
Yes.
division. Okay, Earth surface I'll be sending you MCQ, climate FB और true or false, vegetation true or false, wildlife के फिर कुछ और MCQ या फिर कुछ और भी. Understood? सेम वे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स में कैसे शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स में अर्थ सरफेस के 3-4, क्लाइमेट के 5-6, वेजिटेशन के 2-3, वाइल्ड लाइफ के 2-3. तो टोटल आपके 10 to 15 के रेंज में शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हो जाए ऐसे भेजूंगी. ठीक है? अंडरस्टूड और नॉट नाउ विल्मा? अभी तक नहीं समझ आया?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके.
Yes.
Okay, in the last class beta we did about the tropical for we did about the 2 types of forest. Yes, which were they? Tropical deciduous forest and dry and scrub forest. Right? Tropical rainforest is left to do. Which one is left to do, beta? Tropical rainforest. Okay, girls, can you listen me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. So we will do today this one. Yes, Modesa, can you read beta? Vegetation, types of forest.
Yes, ma'am. Vegetation types of forest. Various types of plants and grasses is seen in our surroundings. Some of the vegetation are thorny,
Throny.
while some are beautiful with flowers. Some trees are dense with leaves, while some are short and with sparse leaves. Sparse
Space, you were right first.
space leaves. L- Different types of vegetation is found in the different regions. Climates differences in responsible for the
For this diversity.
for this vegetation. Vegetation is divided in the base of climate. Per,
Precipitation
Precipitation in the cause
is the
for the main cause for this diversity of vegetation. The type of forest are as follows: tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforests are found where there is more rainfall. The the trees of this forest are
sometimes
some
नहीं so
dense,
dense. Some नहीं so dense.
so dense, thick, thick that the sun rays cannot reach the surface. Variety of trees, creepers, and frames are seen there. Autumn
Fawns,
season does
fawns,
not
flames नहीं
affect
fawns.
ponds are seen there. Autumn season does not affect all the trees at once but affect at different times in a year. So trees appear Lunch,
Lush,
trees
lush.
are lush green. Autumn season does not affect all the trees at once, but the effect at different times in a year. In a year, appear lush green.
Yes, this line is repeated in the printing. Okay. So vegetations, you all know very well that around us we see various types of plants, grass, flowers beautiful in our surroundings. Yes or no? Yes or no? हम हमारे साइड्स में प्लांट्स ग्रास हमारे सराउंडिंग्स में देखते हैं कि नहीं? Yes, some of the vegetations are thorny, while some are beautiful with flowers, है ना? कोई कोई थ्रोनी भी होते हैं और कोई कोई ब्यूटीफुल विथ फ्लावर्स भी होते हैं कि नहीं? थ्रोनी એટલે थ्रोनी means with the thorns, कांटा, right? Then some are what, beta? Some are beautiful also with the flowers, right? Different types of vegetation is found in different regions. Where are they found, beta? Different type of vegetation is found in different regions. Okay. Now climatic difference is responsible for this diversity. What is responsible for this diversity, beta? Can you listen me? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you are not answering?
Ma'am, uh, मुझे लगा आप किसी दूसरे को.
Hello? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. मैम मुझे लगा आप किसी दूसरे को कह रहे हैं इसलिए.
Okay. So different type of vegetation is found in different regions. Okay. Climatic difference is responsible for this diversity. What is responsible for this diversity? Climatic differences, right? Now vegetation is divided. Yes, vegetation is divided in the basis of climate. Perception is the main cause of this diversity of vegetation. Okay. The types of forest are as follows. Tropical forest. है ना बेटा? ट्रॉपिकल फॉरेस्ट जो है वो इतने डेंस होते हैं, इतने घने होते हैं, इतने थिक होते हैं that the sun rays cannot reach the surface. उसके रूट्स तक, नीचे अर्थ सरफेस तक भी सन रेज नहीं पहुंचती, इतने डेंस होते हैं, राइट? So they are very dense and variety of trees, creepers and ferns are seen there. Autumn season does not affect all the trees at once. What does not affect beta? Autumn season.
Autumn
Okay.
season.
मतलब एक साथ सारे leaves नहीं shed होते, right? They shed their leaves at different times, right? And so they are appear lush green every time. Is it clear?
Yes,
Then we
ma'am.
saw about tropical deciduous forest and dry scrub forest. Last class में हमने पहले देख लिया था वो, right? So all this is about vegetation. हमारा जो topic है lesson का vegetation, right? The third point, vegetation of our India. Yes. Who will revise this part? Vegetation part. A quick recap. Yes. Who will like to read this part? Ilma will read. Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Vegetation type of forest. Various type of plant and grass is seen in our surrounding. Some of the vegetation are thorny,
थ्रोनी बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं?
thorny,
Then
while some are beautiful with flowers. Some trees are dainty with leaves, while some are short and with
dense ही नहीं, dense. Okay.
dense, dense with leaves.
With leaves.
Some are short and with
With sparse leaves.
Pear slips. Different type of vegetation is found in the different
Regions.
regions. Climatic different climatic difference is responsible for the
For this,
diversity. Vegetation is divided in the basis of climate. Ma'am, what is this?
precipitation, precipitation
Precipitation is the main cause of the diversity of
of no
vegetation.
for this.
For these diversity of vegetation, the type of forests are as follow. Tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforests are found where there is more rainfall. The
मोर
trees,
सबसे ज्यादा रेनफॉल हो वहां पे ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट. ओके.
yes, ma'am. The trees of these forests are so dense,
ડેન્સ
thick,
ડેન્સ એટલે ડેન્સ એટલે શું?
dense.
ડેન્સ એટલે શું કોણ કહેશે? What is the meaning of dense?
Dense.
Are so
Ma'am,
dense
can
means
I?
what? Yes, say Rabia.
Ma'am, so dense means everywhere trees are there.
हाँ, बहुत घने
Both,
घने जंगल
yes,
बोलते हैं ना हम.
घना jungle.
हाँ. सी यहाँ यहाँ पे वाइल्ड लाइफ भी बहुत होती है. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes,
यस
ma'am.
कंटिन्यू. हाँ.
Thick that the sunrise rays cannot reach the surface. Variety of trees, creeper, and falls are seen there. Autumn season does not affect all the trees at once, but affect at different times.
In a year.
So trees appear lunch green. Autumn season does not affect all the trees at once, but the effect at different time in a year. In a year. Last
Uh, Ilma, I like to say, okay,
yes,
Ilma, in this lockdown period, she has improved a lot of reading. है ना? बहुत अच्छी प्रैक्टिस की लगता है इल्मा ने, है ना इल्मा?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good Ilma. So still two
Thank
more
you, ma'am.
for welcome beta. Two more forests are left to do. First we will do that. This. Yes, Rabia, read this two for mountain forest and
Mo-
mangrove forest.
Montane forest. According to their name, this type of forests are seen in the mountainous region. In the mountains, a variety of plants and different species of plants grow at different heights. Vegetation growing at the height of 1500 meter to 2500 meter from sea level is co- conic-
Conical.
conical,
Conical.
conical in shape, or its leaves are needle shaped.
1 minute, Rabia, I will interpret in middle, if you don't mind. Hmm? आपको याद हो तो कल मैंने कुछ पॉइंट बोला था सी लेवल वाला. बोला था कि नहीं बोला था? इस क्लास में बोला था कि
Yes,
दूसरे क्लास
बोला
में?
था.
है ना? तो पढ़ो तो फिर से सेकेंड और थर्ड लाइन.
In the mountains, a variety of plants and different species of plants grow at different heights. Vegetation growing at the height of 1500 meter to 2500 meter from sea level.
From
Sea level.
understood? Understood what I said you
Yes,
yesterday? ये सब
yes,
हाइट कहाँ से मेजर होती है? From the sea level.
from the sea level.
Okay, continue.
It's conical in shape, or its leaves are needle shaped. On the basis of its shape, this vegetation is called coniferous vegetation. Trees like cedar, deodar, pine, etc. are the kind of vegetation.
This kind of vegetation.
Are this kind of vegetation.
Yes, continue. Mangrove forest.
Mangrove forest. This type of forest grow in brackish water brackish water, salty seawater. In the salty water of sea, this type of forests are seen in West Bengal, Gujarat, and on the shore of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Sun- Sundarban
Sundarban.
in Delta region of Ganga has this type of forest. This name has been taken from the tree named Sundari. Shade trees are seen in forest along the coastal region of Gujarat, which is used as a fuel by the local people.
Yes, very good. So अगर आपको याद हो तो हमने दो और फॉरेस्ट किए थे, याद है? Yesterday, कल means yesterday. Okay? Remember or not?
No, ma'am, I don't remember.
Okay, एक बार रिवाइज कर दो राबिया तो याद आ जाएगा.
Yes,
From here, tropical deciduous.
tropical tropical deciduous forest. Majority part of Indian land is occupied by this type of forest. Trees of these forests are less dense. They shed leaves during autumn season, so they are known as an autumn forest. Trees like sal, bamboo, maudo, neem, etc. are seen in this type of forest.
Continue.
Dry and syrup forests. This type of forests are seen in the region receiving less rainfall. The trees are thorny here. Trees like cactus, fir, palm, acacia, jujube are the main trees. These forests are seen in Rajasthan, Haryana, and on the slope of Western Ghats and Gujarat, etc.
Yes, understood. अब याद आया कल किया था तो. Okay.
Yes,
ओके चलो तो अब हम जो आज का है दो फॉरेस्ट रह गए वो कर लेते हैं पहले. देन वी विल सी. हाँ बेटा बोलो.
After this, can I read?
After this I explain, after that you read. Okay, who is it?
Insia Fatima.
Insha, wait. Okay, let me explain. Now according to their name, mountain name ही जो है that is indicating it is mountainous region में ये forest है. Okay, where variety of plants and different species of plants grow at different heights. Okay, and vegetation growing at the height of 1500 to 2500 meter from sea level. It is conical in shape or its leaves are needle shaped. Naturally it is. Okay, on the basis of its shape, these vegetations are called coniferous forest. Coniferous. કેમ coniferous કહેવાય છે? કેમ કે એનો શેપ કોન જેવા એના જે લીવ્સ છે ને એના શેપ કે કોની જેવા છે? કોન જેવા, કોનિકલ શેપમાં છે. કેવા છે? કેવા હોય છે બેટા?
Conical shape
Conical જેવા.
કોન શેપના એટલે એને એના વેજીટેશનના હિસાબે એના શેપના હિસાબે એને કોનિફરસ ફોરેસ્ટ તરીકે પણ ઓળખાય છે. મોન્ટેન ફોરેસ્ટને જનરલી આપણે બધી જગ્યાએ કોનિફરસ ફોરેસ્ટ સાંભળતા હોઈએ છીએ, હે ને? તો સમજ હવે યાદ રહેશે કેમ એને કોનિકલ ફોરેસ્ટ કહેવાય છે?
yes.
Yes.
તો એમાં ટ્રીઝ કયા કયા ટ્રીઝ ઉગે ત્યાં? Which type of trees grow there
Pine
બેટા?
trees,
Deodar, pine
Deodar
trees.
pine. વેરી ગુડ. પછી હવે મેનગ્રુવ ફોરેસ્ટ જોઈએ. ઓકે, મેનગ્રુવ ફોરેસ્ટની સ્પેશિયાલિટી એ છે બેટા કે બહુ ઓછા ટ્રીઝ એવા હોય જે સોલ્ટી વોટરમાં ગ્રો થાય. ઓકે, ધીસ મેંગ્રુવ ફોરેસ્ટ ઇઝ મોસ્ટલી ગ્રોન ઇન સોલ્ટી વોટર. હવે આવા ક્યા ક્યા દેખાય છે? કયા કયા સ્ટેટમાં દેખાય છે મેંગ્રુવ ફોરેસ્ટ?
West Bengal.
West Bengal,
વેરી
Gujarat,
ગુડ, વેરી ગુડ,
Andaman and Nicobar Island.
વેરી ગુડ. ઓકે, આ બધી જગ્યાએ દેખાય છે, બરાબર. નાઉ સુંદરબન ઇન ડેલ્ટા region of Ganga has this type of forest. This name has been taken from the tree Sundari. Kayu tree? Sundari. Care trees seen are seen in forest along the coastal region of Gujarat, which is used as fuel by the local people. હવે બીજું બધું તો ઠીક, આપણે આ બધું સમજ્યા. પણ હવે મને એ જાણવું છે કે આટલું બધું ફોરેસ્ટ વિશે કેમ સમજીએ છીએ આપણે? Because there is importance of forest. Our various wants are fulfilled by forest. આપણી બધી જરૂરતો ફોરેસ્ટ થી ફૂલફિલ થાય છે. તો what are the advantages of forest? Let us discuss that. Who will say me? क्या क्या एडवांटेजेस है फॉरेस्ट के? कौन डिस्कस करेगा?
What, ma'am?
I want to discuss with you all what are the advantages of forest. चलो, who will say me advantages of forest? You can say in your own words also, beta.
Ma'am, can I try?
Sorry?
Can I say?
Yeah, say. If your textbook, don't read from that and say in your own words, okay?
Yes. Ma'am, first of all, wild animals,
हाँ.
they
हाँ.
forest
Yes, it
are
is
a
the home
shelter.
for wild
It is the
animals.
home
Yes.
for wild animals, and from forest, many people also hunt animals. And for photographers also, forest is a very nice place there. Naturally, animals are roaming, so they can take photographs.
Very good.
And
Still some more points.
we can get a lot of wood from the forest.
Yes.
And
But you know, beta cutting down in the forest trees without permission is
yes,
a
is a
crime.
crime.
Mm.
And forest, when a person is in forest, he gets a lot of oxygen, as there are only trees all around and no pollution.
Mhm. Very good. Some more points.
And,
Ma'am, can I say Insia?
Yes, Insha.
Ma'am, when we go to a forest, there are so many beautiful, colorful flowers are there.
But actually, so we can't go only in forest. Only the forest department people can only go. You know, there are restricted areas in the forest. मतलब कि कुछ एरिया तक ही विजिटर्स जा सकते हैं, उसके बाद में नहीं जा सकते. तो जिस एरिया में हम नहीं जा सकते ना बेटा, उसे कोर एरिया बोलते हैं. CORE, कोर एरिया. तो वो कोर एरिया में मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ लायंस, टाइगर्स एंड ऑल दिस आर लिविंग, हैबिटेटिंग. सो हम अलाउड ही नहीं है, तो हम कहाँ से देखेंगे?
मैम हमें क्या बोलना है?
मैम, इसमें
एडवांटेजेस
टीक
ऑफ फॉरेस्ट
फॉरेस्ट आएगा.
क्या आएगा?
टीक फॉरेस्ट.
टी?
मैम
नहीं, टी का
टी
प्लांटेशन होता है
टीक.
बेटा, फॉरेस्ट. ओके, टीक वुड का आएगा. हाँ, बाकी टी जो आप बोल रहा है, अगर सुनना चाहो तो टी का प्लांटेशन होता है, और वो मोस्टली माउंटेनियस रीजन्स में होता है, जैसे असम में. और उसमें बिकॉज टी के पास जो वाटर लॉगिंग होता है ना, वो टी प्लांट को हार्म करता है. तो माउंटेनियस रीजन में क्या होगा कि व्हेन ए ट्री, वाटर विल नॉट बी कलेक्टेड, तो वाटर फ्लो हो जाएगा स्लोप्स में, राइट? चलो से.
मैम वो फॉरेस्ट में हम जा नहीं सकते, लेकिन फॉरेस्ट में बहुत सारे ट्रीज होते हैं, तो उसमें से ऑक्सीजन बढ़ता है, और ऑक्सीजन बढ़ता है और वो हमें फ्रूट्स देते हैं, फिर वो
अच्छा,
फिर
मैं
वो
आपको एक पॉइंट बोलूं कि जैसे आपने बोला ना इंस्टा, उस हिसाब से एक पॉइंट बोलो. आप सर्च करना आज. अब मुझे तो पता है, पर आप खुद सर्च करना कि अमेजोन फॉरेस्ट जो है, या फिर हमारे इंडिया के जो भी फॉरेस्ट है, उसमें से कितना परसेंट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन हमें मिलता है, ये सर्च करना. यू विल बी शॉक्ड बाय लिसनिंग दैट. हाउ मच % ऑफ ऑक्सीजन हमें फॉरेस्ट से मिलता है, ये आप सर्च करना।
Ma'am, I have not said that we can get oxygen.
हमें मिलता
This
है ऑक्सीजन, हमें मिलता है ऑक्सीजन। योर पॉइंट
मैम
इज,
मैम मैंने बोला वो ऑक्सीजन हमें मिलता है ऐसा मौदे से।
अच्छा हाँ महोदय सर, मतलब मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, आप आज सर्च करना, अमेजोन फॉरेस्ट के बारे में सर्च करना, तो हमें कितना ऑक्सीजन मिलता है वहां से वो भी सर्च करना। मैंने तो ये सर्च किया है, पर आप यू विल बी शॉक्ड, यू विल बी शॉक्ड, really you'll be shocked. See, search out that and report me that. So means what are the advantages of forest, beta? It keeps our environment clean, right or wrong? Because it gives us oxygen and
यस मैम।
carbon dioxide. Apart from that, beta, the most important thing किसी ने नहीं बोला कि water cycle process, it brings rain. Yes or no? It brings the natural water.
यस मैम।
किसी ने ये पॉइंट नहीं बोला। फिर एक पॉइंट है कि जब रेनफॉल होता है, यस यस और नो, व्हेन इट रेन,
यस मैम।
तो बहता पानी अपने साथ मिट्टी भी ले जाता है, ले जाता है कि नहीं?
यस मैम।
तो क्या हो रहा है, सॉइल इरोजन हो रहा है, मतलब सॉइल एक जगह से जा रहा है दूसरी जगह पे,
yes,
है ना राबे, जाता है कि नहीं इंशिया, राबिया?
Yes.
yes,
यस मैम।
तो जो फॉरेस्ट एरिया है, जो प्लांट्स है, वो क्या करते हैं बेटा कि प्लांट्स, ट्रीज, ऑल दिस बाइंड द soil together. તમે જુઓ ને એના મૂળમાં ધૂળ ચોટેલી હોય, હોય કે નહીં? Yes or no?
yes,
So
Yes.
what does forest do? They prevent soil erosion. To some extent, they prevent soil erosion because they are binding the soil. Yes or no?
yes,
Apart from that, it is the main conservation of underground water. जो अंडरग्राउंड वाटर में जो वाटर स्टोर होता है, it goes directly with the help of forest, with the help of trees. Yes or no? Of course, natural habitat भी है वाइल्ड लाइफ के लिए, not only wildlife, birds also. Yes or no?
yes,
सेम है, सेम। इकोनॉमिकल एडवांटेजेस क्या होंगे? जैसे आप लोगों ने पहले ही बोल दिया था, वुड मिलेगा, मेडिसिन, हर्ब्स, रॉ मटेरियल फॉर इंडस्ट्रीज, देन एनिमल्स के लिए फूड मिलेगा। यस और नो? देन फॉरेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स मिलेंगे लाइक ग्लू, गम, इरेजर्स, रबर्स। यस और नो?
ma'am, we can get honey also.
सॉरी,
We get honey also because the honeybees make their shelter in trees.
आई सेड ना, और प्लांट, वाइल्ड लाइफ के साथ मैंने बर्ड्स, एनिमल्स, सारे क्रिएचर्स के बारे में आ जाता है वो फिर। ओके, सो ऑल दिस आर एडवांटेजेस ऑफ फॉरेस्ट। ओके, यस, रीड इंशा, यू वांटेड टू रीड?
Yes, ma'am. Variety of wildlife reside in the forest of our country. This include mammals, birds, creatures, aquatic animals, amphibians, insects, reptiles, bugs, etc. Tiger is seen in the various parts of our country and it is our national animal. Wild goat in Himalayas and Nilgiri
माउंटेन्स,
elephants, and one horned Indian
इंडियन राइनोसिस,
rhinoceros in the forest of Assam are seen moving freely. Forests of Kerala and Karnataka are known for elephant Kudar. Wild is found in the dry region of Kutch, Surendranagar and Patan.
सुरेंद्र
Lions
नगर
are
एंड पटना,
Surendranagar and Patan. Asiatic lions are seen in the Gir forest of Gujarat in the world.
Very good. Continue.
Then this
Yes. Yes. Things to know.
lion, lion is seen only in the Gir forest and it is a state animal of Gujarat. Number of lions increased due to the efforts of Conservation Forest Department. The program of freeing lion for the tourists.
Tourist. Tourist.
Variety bird species like crane, duck, cuckoo, parrot,
Horror.
kibri, kabar,
Caber.
cabar, samdi, vulture, eagle, owl, etc. are seen in India. Peacock is our national bird. Apart from this, turtles come to the sea shore to lay eggs in the states like Gujarat and Odisha in India. Various species of snakes are there in our country. Maximum of out of 10 are known
Known
renowned species.
venomous species. अच्छा, ये दिखने में कितने अच्छे लगते हैं स्पीसीज, ये वाइल्ड लाइफ है कि नहीं?
Yes,
चलो, read this last para.
yes, ma'am. Wildlife of India. The birds come in winter from far of the older regions to breed in the reservoirs and wetland areas of our country. Thousands of foreign birds come out to the region of Nal Sarvan.
नल सरोवर. अगर आपको याद हो तो लास्ट क्लास में मैंने माइग्रेटरी बर्ड्स का एक लेसन करवाया था, याद है किसी को?
Yes.
ओके, कंटिन्यू.
Chotipuri Chand in Kutch of Gujarat during winter and return to their native as winter gets over. These birds are called tourist or migratory birds.
Migratory birds. Migratory. So nice looking this picture. So pleasing to eyes. Peacock. Just a day before in television, I saw a white peacock which was dancing. It was, I don't know from which Australia. It was like the video had come from Australia. It looks so much pleasing to eyes, right? This lion, tiger, wildlife, right? But when it
It
comes
looks
in front
even
of
more
us,
beautiful when it's in front of us.
but my dear, it should be in cages. Otherwise, no selfies. हम खुद एक फोटो हो जाएंगे फिर. Right or wrong?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. You had gone to Gir, right? So आपको पता होगा कि
Yes.
आप गिर में गए थे तो आपको कुछ ही एरिया में लायन दिखते हैं. You know, internally
Yes.
there is a core area in Gir forest also, जहाँ पे हम नहीं जा सकते. मतलब visitors are not
And there are
allowed at any cost.
restrictions. There are
Yes.
rules that you don't have to get out of the car, you don't have to throw garbages.
See,
If
lions are cool.
animals eat that, then they would
They,
be ill.
yes, you are not allowed only to take plastics things over there inside.
Yes.
No one is allowed only keeping the environment, because we people are animals. When we go to see such places, no, we behave like animals, throw everything anywhere, like plastic waste. And I'm not talking of any particular, I'm talking about we all together, right? If we have a Tupperware bottle, we will not throw, but if we have a plastic Bisler, we will throw away. That's not good for the environment, right? So it's very
Yes.
much important to take care of this environment. So a ransom amount of fine is charged, 5,500, 1,500.
Ma'am, that's more than that. If a person gets out of the jeep or car, then it's like more than 10,000 or something.
पहले तो फिर भरने लायक फिर नहीं रहेंगे ना, वो भी है ना, है ना.
Yes.
चलो फिर उतरने नहीं चाहिए. You have to follow the rules and regulations wherever, whichever forest.
और मैम पहले तो गाइड ही नहीं उतरने देते ना.
हाँ, वही नहीं उतर देते. But still, some people are notorious. They do naughty acts. We read many times in newspapers, and they suffer also for that. You know, government अगर उनको पनिश नहीं करेंगे तो फिर प्रॉब्लम होगा. Everyone will do such things, right? Yes, okay. So this is a variety of importance of forest के बाद हम देखेंगे variety of wildlife. Actually what happened बेटा कि हमें wildlife है ना यहाँ से start करना था आगे से. But we skipped that page. Actually the order of the page is not arranged properly by me. I'll do it, okay? Okay, so we'll end up our class, today's class over here.
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
you have in the lesson.
No, ma'am.
Everything is clear? All of you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt, beta?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.